For decades, the inner workings of the human mind have stood as modern science's most stubborn blind spot. But today, the challenge has shifted. We have too many answers. This scatterplot represents the current landscape. There are currently over 300 active theories attempting to explain exactly how consciousness works. With hundreds of overlapping models vying for dominance, the data becomes illegible. Scientific progress grinds to a halt. This mass of competing ideas creates a field drowning in its own noise, where any individual breakthrough is lost in the crowd. Usually, the scientific method provides a way out. You propose an idea, test it, and observe the results to see if the hypothesis survives the trial. This process relies on falsifiability, the requirement that an idea can be tested and proven wrong. But in the study of the mind, we have reached a deadlock. Most of these 300 theories offer no way to be definitively proven or disproven. These theories survive because the human brain is protected biology. Researchers cannot pause, dissect, or modify a living person's conscious experience in a lab to see which model accurately predicts the outcome. Because the brain cannot be paused for inspection, the methodology must change. Solving the mystery now requires a system designed to identify and discard the theories that cannot hold up under pressure. This shift in strategy led to a new laboratory initiative, a conceptual theory-killing machine designed to destroy weak ideas. The machine works by taking abstract philosophical concepts and forcing them to make hard, measurable predictions. To filter these ideas, researchers use a specific stress test, the identical systems paradox. Look at these two identical schematics. The paradox asks a theory to explain a specific scenario. If you build two systems that are exactly the same, why might one produce a vibrant conscious experience while the other remains dark? The crucible is final. If a theory cannot explain this discrepancy, it is eliminated from consideration. This process of elimination separates scientifically viable models from speculative philosophy. Executing these tests is impossible with human subjects. You cannot duplicate a living person or modify their neural pathways to run a controlled experiment. To bypass this, researchers use artificial intelligence as a digital proxy for the mind. AI provides a modifiable environment where scientists can adjust the underlying code and observe variables in ways that human biology prevents. Running the 300 theories through these AI models reveals the mathematical and logical flaws hidden within human-centric ideas. AI functions as the experimental foundation required to test and break science's most fragile theories. As this initiative moves forward, the future of the field looks different than it did a decade ago. Scientific progress is now being achieved through the deliberate destruction of ideas. This funnel represents the shift in data. By applying the pressure of the crucible, researchers can drop the number of theories from over 300 down to a concentrated handful. That surviving handful provides a sharp signal that researchers can finally track. This endeavor presents a specific irony. Understanding consciousness relies on proving what it is not. By embracing the logic of falsification and burning away the theories that fail the test, humanity is finally on the threshold of understanding exactly what consciousness is.